Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're having a fine day. And while I'm in a knife review or utility tool review, I decided to shoot this little video on these Gerber super mini tools right here. Right up top there, we got the shard. And then there's right below that, just above the tape measure, we've got the curve. And like I say, this is for the minimalist mindset, if you will, because these are very small little tools, as that tape measure is bearing out. Personally myself, when it comes to these mini tools, I don't really believe in a mechanic in the pocket or a toolbox in the pocket or whatever have you. But if you're, let me get this tape measure out of the way. If you're of the mindset where you want just little dinky tools to carry in your pocket, keychain tools, if you will, let's take a look at this shard here. Basically, what we got is two different flat tip screwdrivers right there. This little bent part right here acts like a pry bar, if you will. Back in here, this acts like a wire cutter, believe it or not. This is a bottle opener right here. And, of course, right in here is a Phillips head screwdriver. And, of course, this is a holder for your, put it on your keychain. Okay, this little guy right here, you can get those all day long for around $5. Okay, right here is the curve. This guy right here is the gray and silver version. This will cost you $10. And both these tools are made by Gerber, like I say. And believe it or not, this little knife that's here, I think it's only about an inch long, that blade, but it does lock. I mean, that's actually a working lock right there. It kind of cracks me up about that deal there, but let me leave that open and pop out these tools here. You've got a flat tip screwdriver there. You've got a file and a crosshead or a Phillips screwdriver right there. And then another smaller flat tip right here. And on the end, this guy right here acts as a bottle opener. So it's supposed to be 6 tools in one on this curve. I'd say $10 for this, and I'm not going to get into all what this thing is made out of, materials and a bunch of technical stuff and everything, because these are just very inexpensive pocket tools, but something you may find useful, something you may, want to put on your key ring, for ultimate portability and that sort of stuff. It's supposed to be 6 tools in here, and then what I showed you there on the shard. So, like I say, to reiterate, $10 for the curve right there, approximately $5 for the shard. Okay, sorry about that, I bumped. Let me zoom up there. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this file's too long. Thank you very much for watching. Go out and grab these little ultra mini tools. They might do you some good, they might not. Have a nice day and see you on down the trail.